Guns, guns, guns! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Gun Monkey Mike. Here. Last time posted a video, we did an intro, and then just kind of talked about the basics of this fine weapon that I have, and did EOTech recently, red dot on it. All this stuff came on here the way that it is. So that's kind of the first piece, aside from the sling. But so you'll see other videos on that stuff, but this is an exciting day. Got some Amazon package, a couple packages in, and just wanted to kind of share some of these things. Number one is, what did I purchase? This is going to be a Magpul mount. Bipod. So for this bipod, as soon as I purchased it, I was looking at some reviews and people getting this, and it was pretty cool. And I thought, if I were gonna get a bipod, lightweight, it's durable enough, I suppose, from the reviews, and looks pretty cool, easy to use. So this is what I went with. The mistake that I think I made is I purchased the one that goes directly to the Mlok. From what I understand, I don't think there's a quick detach on this. So you're gonna put it on and you're stuck with it on unless you use the tools and take it off, which isn't so great, right? If you want to do a quick detach. Now I know it folds up and that's convenient, but at the same time, if you're out, at the range and you want to do a quick transition, from bipod to, your handle or whatever, any other attachment, it's going to be a little bit of work. So after further research, I did see that you could actually, these little connect quick detach for a Mlok quick detach. It's an Mlok to Picatinny. A quick detached little piece. I think I found them for like 40 or 50 bucks, but I get most of my stuff at Optics Planet, and I got a bunch of Optics Planet bucks that I can use. So I think at like $10, it's in my cart right now to get that thing over, and may return this and get the Picatinny one so I can do the quick detach. Just sounds like a better plan for me, better idea. So let's go ahead and unveil this guy. I've been waiting for it for 10 days. I don't know if they're a little bit on back order or what, but it took a little bit to get to me. Let's see what we got here. Directions. Cool. Hopefully I don't need them. Sometimes I do, but we'll see. I want to get a Magpul sticker. A little upset about that. And honestly, I don't know, maybe that's just cardboard markings. Doesn't look all fresh to me, but I suppose it is. It is. It's just little white marks from the box here, apparently. But I'm gonna keep this box as nice as I can, because last thing I want to do is rip it up and not be able to return it, since that's likely my move, switching to that Picatinny combo so I can do the quick detach. So here it is. There we go. Gonna lock this guy on somewhere on here, so we'll see. It looks like we have a little wheel here which will be able to pivot the actual arms. Let's see if we can move these things down. Yep, there we go. Whoop. So the bottom will loosen up so you can rotate, obviously, move back and forth, and just lock that. Yep, that'll keep it still. So easy enough there. The arms just folded down, and yep, you got a little press button to go in and out. Whoop. And yep, just set that. Cool. Cool. So actually not too bad. All right, so no secret here, I'm a novice, I'm learning things. I have never used a bipod. Like I said, my experience with this is looking online, seeing other people use it, videos, talking to friends who use bipods, but never used it, never put it on. I have messed with my grip a little bit and moved the grip up and down. So I have done some Mlok experience here. This is gonna be my second piece that I'm actually gonna put into the gun. So I'll go ahead and shift the camera and we'll just get into it and see how this thing works. Cool. Alrighty, so we just put our grip on. We are going to move on over and see. It isn't looking like things are going to line up the way that I wanted them to, maybe. Basically, what I was trying to cheat, what I mean by cheat, I was going to try to do both, have the best of both worlds here, and do the whole, actually this is the wrong way, so yeah, anyways, do the whole, you know, use a bipod and still be able to have my hand stop, you know, laser, to have the best of both worlds, because that would be cool, right? Maybe, I don't know. So we'll find out if this is gonna work or not. I'm just gonna put it on, because I feel like that's the best way to figure out if that works or not. Obviously it's not all the way in the end toward, you know, the barrel, because that's taking up too much space. I definitely think that Picatinny quick detach, that's why I want to return this and go with that instead of the Mlok, so I can do that quick detach and use my hand stop, and then just use this whenever I just want to use the bipod. This way I'm going to put it on here, it's going to be permanently fixated on here, and I don't know if I'll be able to use the hand stop, probably not. We'll see. So let's just get this thing on there, right? That's gonna be the way we want it. I'm gonna go right here, works for me. Well, let's go ahead and get my poor gun. I'm gonna stop throwing it around, so let me just lay it down for a minute. Go ahead and get these Mlok. Doop, doop, doop. And here we go. So we'll go ahead and put that down. Doop. I suppose might as well do one at a time here. Oh my goodness, come on. Look at this. What the frig is that? It's all crudted up. Well, I honestly don't know what it is, except annoying. It is annoying. So give me just a sec. Let me get my handy dandy
wire mesh. We're gonna try to work that out.
Things are not always gonna go perfect in my world. More times than not, they're just not gonna go perfect at all. Yeah, this ain't working. That extra meat on the bone there is definitely not working out. So that bolt is screwed. No pun intended. Cool. Just took this one off of here. And of course it's longer, but it is the same diameter, which is the important part. So we will work with that, I suppose. as our without an issue. So any more issues? All right, so here we go. Luckily with my EOTech, it gives it some balance. It's definitely not made for that, but it's fine. Let's see how this goes. Well, that's a problem. Yep, that's a problem. Basically, not even going to be able to frickin' do this because these long screws are too long for this. It's a much lower profile connection than the long screws are used because there's a lot of thickness to this to get down. These screws are too long and it's going to hit my barrel, which you definitely don't want. At least I don't want. So basically, until I either get some screws, there goes that. So thanks for joining. Super annoying, can't even get this thing on because
they decided to send me screws with glue, some type of glue gunked up on the rail.
All right, and we're back. So basically had to stop everything because Magpul decided to send me, glue all over the threads, and obviously that's going to cause an issue with attaching this. I was pretty annoyed. I was able to just basically use pliers and force it through, so I'm hoping this will work out and we can be on our merry way. So I will be retrying this. First step, let's go ahead and see if we can get these things on without further problem. I have to literally use pliers for it. So here we go. Let's see if this works. Moment of truth. That one went in. Okay, got it. Seems like all is well, just hand tight. Good enough for that. Oh, my beautiful gun, it can sit up. Let's go ahead and tighten this. So that we're not moving all the way side to side. Cool. There she goes. Let's see about. Oh. This was kind of the moment of truth. Does this And it does. So that's kind of what I was looking for, is can we still work this out with this on here? Kind of. It's definitely not so functional, but it's good that it doesn't interfere and smack into each other, and there's kind of just sits perfectly between. So that's nice. Let's go ahead and kind of bring these down. Cool. And then again, we can loosen this undercarriage. It will tilt. Obviously don't want it tilted, so I'm just going to tighten that back up. Cool. I know it's probably not the best stability since it's back. You can see a little rock there. Obviously, we know it's made of plastic. This is by design from what I understand, so it has that little bit of give. Probably so their plastic doesn't break, but it seems like it's all right. Inside there is aluminum for the legs here, but it's actually not bad. It's kind of cool.